Let me get my range. .236. Oh, I'm waiting. We're gonna have to do a countdown. You do the countdown.
Three.
Hold up.
This one's on top of us, dude.
Alright, as soon as you get a good shot, do it.
Where's the cattle?
Tell me when, right before you shoot, though.
He's coming right, BJ. You might get him.
Woo!
Oh, damn it. That's a malfunction, dude. I'm Jackson.
Smoked him.
Yeah. What the hell happened there?
Where'd the other one go?
He's straight out.